We've finally moved into our new offices and it's time to take a look. So come on, let's go. What's up guys, Volley here. I'm so excited to finally give you guys a tour of our new HQ. This is the Dava HQ. This has been a long time coming and there's so many moving pieces here and I want to show you what our day-to-day looks like. We've already had so many YouTubers down here and we want to invite more of you guys down here. So enough talking, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're starting off with our lobby. This is kind of just a spot where we have all our new hires and anybody that's coming down to the office. That just kind of a presentable room. Just to kind of break down some of the stuff we've been doing. Obviously the first thing, this isn't our logo anymore, so we do need to get that switched. But definitely a fun project that we were working on. Like we custom did all the wood, all the painting, everything was done by us. We wanted to go for kind of like a welcoming feel. Which it might actually change here soon. We got Hayden here, actually. What's up, Hayden? How's it going? So we'll stop by your offices and kind of give a tour of that. But couches actually came from my parents' house, so we were able to use those. But honestly, we could not have done this without the help of my wife's mother. My mother-in-law definitely came in clutch and helped us out so much. But let's move over here and let's give you guys a tour of what's over here. All right, so now into the conference room. This is where the big decisions and the big meetings are happening. And also, if we're out of space and we need to work somewhere, well, we're also working here. Funny enough, these used to be two separate offices. This was one office, and then over here was another office. As we were moving in, we had them cut down this wall, and we went in and painted everything. But this is our meeting room. This is really where we meet and just get things done. All right, guys, so we're going into actually my favorite room in the whole office here. This is the content room. This is where we're filming these videos. This is where the man behind the camera, Tyler, is sitting. And honestly, this room has been so much fun to build. And we're still kind of building it, honestly. Like, we went in, we put the foam along the wall. We got a cool table, cool lights, cool everything. One of my favorite things though is actually this light. So you can turn it on and it adds such a cool touch to these videos, which I love. So anyway, this is the content room, my favorite room to be in. All right, so we got Damien here, Damien and Alec. This is where they're kind of helping our new clients that are coming in. We're kind of helping them on board. Damien's doing graphic design and thumbnails right now. But these guys are crushing it every single day. Anytime I need anything with audio, Alec's my guy. Anytime I need anything with graphics, Damien's my guy. So let's go over to my office. My office is definitely not fully built, but it's coming along. Got my chair, I got my desk. But this is, I would say 40% of the time I'm working here. The other time I'm usually just, remote working on my laptop, whether it's in the conference room or with the sales guys or even in the content room. But this is my office. I know a little boring, but gonna be working on it to make it better. Let's move over to Hayden. I know we were talking to him earlier. What's up, Hayden?
Hi guys.
How's it going, man? Good. So Hayden's our marketing director, and he's helping us with ads and stuff, and so crushing it every single day. We still need to finish his setup too, because it's kind of dull in here. Sorry, Hayden. All right. Next, we got Gavin, who's not actually here. Where is Gavin? There he is. There he is. Let's turn the camera. Hello. So that's where Gavin's sitting. He's what are you?
COO.
So that's where Gavin's sitting. He's our CEO and helping us out with everything. And then we got David. He's almost always working off his laptop, so it's not even plugged in. All right, and the break room, the room of waters. Just kidding, not really. We just had our Halloween party, so it's kind of a mess. We got drinks everywhere and chips and things everywhere, but funny enough, we got way too many employees and too small of a fridge to feed everybody. So, all right, and now on to the editors. This is definitely where most of our things happen. These are the guys that are holding everything down. So proud of how so many of these guys have gone so good at editing, which is insane. But yeah, it's interesting. Jay, what are you working on?
I'm working on Coyote Classics, just a classic car shop. They do right now. They're working on a 1937 Ford Coupe.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, just
that's
doing
awesome.
social medias for 'em.
Yeah. So shout out to Coyote Classics. But this is Jay. He's been crushing it. And then we got we got, if you see in the background, they're doing like some wire stuff to kind of speed up everything with the servers and everything, but they're crushing it every day. And then in here, we have to be a little quiet. They're actually on a sales call. We got Carson and Richard. This is kind of like our sales room. So we can't go in there right now, but they're crushing on a sales call. Let's go, Carson. So let me kind of break down what our plans are and really what we want to do. Funny enough, when we moved in here, we did not take up any space. Like I mean nothing. Like we had probably half of this row right here. But as you can see, we're starting to fill up the second row now, and we potentially want to build a third row. Hopefully if we can fit a fourth row, but I'll genuinely be surprised if we're still here within the next year, because things are just growing really fast, and we're growing with all our content creators, which is great. So why did we choose this office in the first place? You know, it's actually really hard to find offices that are open floor, just because nobody really goes that route. But when we saw this one and all the glass offices, like we genuinely fell in love. You know, we knew we had to do some tweakings, like with the conference room and cut down the wall. But once we did that, like we were sold and we loved this office. So funny story actually is I used to actually live literally like 1 block from here. So it's cool to kind of like have an office right where I grew up. It's not my favorite area, but it works, and I'll be honest, we get a good deal. So actually we get a terrible deal. Boom. All right, guys, so we're back on set. Now, I don't know if it feels weird now that you guys have seen the behind the scenes, but I just kind of want to show you guys what the set actually looks like and really what the whole office looks like. Honestly, the craziest thing to me has been the progression of our offices. Like literally a year ago, we were in an office that was smaller than the room we're in right now. So it's crazy to see how much the team has grown. And honestly, I'm just excited for what's to come. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I really, really appreciate it. I'm so excited for you guys to learn and grow with your business and finance and get your money right. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya!
Did you actually share
That would have interrupted my, hang on, I think that's Tesla. Hello?
Great.
Not Tesla.